Hello everyone, my name is Uplaksh. I am 16 years old and I live in Jammu and Kashmir. This is my third time participating in Codeavour International. In 2023, I got second position in Codeavour International. Last year, I won consolation prize in the national event and got a chance to participate in the international event in Dubai. But unfortunately, I couldn't go to Dubai because of some issues with my passport. This time I am here to solve a very huge problem which is faced by the backbone of our nation, our farmers. According to Food and Agriculture Organization, many farmers, especially in developing countries, struggle with soil management due to lack of understanding of soil health, which leads to poor yield, soil degradation, and financial losses. A study by the International Food Policy Research Institute found out that about 40 to 50% of small farmers, particularly in Africa and Asia, are unaware of the soil quality of their farms, resulting in ineffective soil management practices. Now you can hear from a farmer himself what problems he faces.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कुलदीप सिंह है। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। अध्यापक होने के साथ साथ मैं किसान भी हूँ। कई वर्षों से मैं खेतीबाड़ी करता आ रहा हूँ। खेतीबाड़ी करते हुए मुझे कई समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ता है। सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये सामने आती है कि मिट्टी में ज़रूरी तत्वों की कमी। हम समझ ही नहीं पाते कि मिट्टी को कितनी मात्रा में कौन सा तत्व चाहिए। ज़रूरी तत्वों की कमी के कारण फसलों की पैदावार में भारी गिरावट आती है।
To solve all these problems you just heard, I am here with my innovative and one of its kind project, Auto Botanic. Auto Botanic is a smart soil management system which consists of two parts. The first is soil health monitoring system. It consists of a transmission tower which is connected to several sensors like NPK sensor, which monitors the value of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium of the soil. It has a soil temperature and moisture sensor which are capable of telling accurate values. All these sensors are connected to a custom transmission PCB which is designed by me on an open source designing software. I ordered this PCB from an Indian manufacturer which makes the cost of production very low. This PCB consists Arduino Nano as its main microcontroller, which is connected to a NRF module which can transmit the nutrition value of the soil to a range of 1 kilometer. These signals are received by the receiving module which consists of ESP32 which uploads the values of the soil to the internet. These values can be observed using the app or the website. And this whole transmission tower is powered by a self-adjusting solar panel which can adjust its direction towards the sun automatically. The second part of this project is Smart Fertilizer Dispensing System. As you just saw, the health monitoring system was able to tell all the deficiencies of the soil. But what about fulfilling these deficiencies? Here comes in action the Smart Fertilizer Dispensing System. This technology is that much unexplored that I can even get a patent for it, and I have even started the process of patenting this technology. The Smart Fertilizer Dispensing System will read the values from the NPK sensor and then start dispensing the fertilizer from its 3 container containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium until the value hits the threshold number. For example, if the farmer wants to grow wheat, then he can set the dispenser mode on wheat mode through the Auto Botanic website. This will set the threshold values of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium according to what wheat needs. Now let me show you all the hardware used in this project and give you a hands-on experience of this project. So this is my project Auto Botanic. It consists of two parts. The first part is the soil health monitoring system and the second part is Smart Fertilizer Dispensing System. Let's talk about the health monitoring system. The health monitoring system consists of several sensors like the NPK sensor which monitors the value of nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus in the soil. The second is the moisture sensor and the third is the temperature sensor. All these sensors are connected to this main PCB board. This is a custom PCB that is designed by me. This PCB have Arduino Nano as its main microcontroller and a high-range NRF module to transmit its data. It also consists of a automatically rotating solar panel which can adjust its direction towards the sun. All this data that is transmitted by this tower is received by this receiving module, which sends all the data to the website. You can see the data in the form of graph. As you can see soil moisture, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and soil temperature. Now let's talk about the smart fertilizer dispensing system. The smart fertilizer dispensing system consists of 3 containers, which contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium based fertilizers. All these containers are connected to electronic valves, which are opened through Arduino inside this box. This Arduino reads the value from the NPK sensor and senses the deficiency of nutrients in the soil and send the nutrients in the soil accordingly. Now let me show you its live working. So first you turn on this dispenser. It will detect the nutrients of the soil through NPK sensor and turn on the valves accordingly. Then if there is lack of moisture in the soil, it will turn on the pump and start the water supply. Along with the water supply, the minerals are added to the water. For example, if the farmer is growing wheat, the wheat needs 45 mg of nitrogen in it. But if the soil is having only 10 mg of nitrogen, then the NPK sensor will detect the deficiency of nitrogen and turn on the valve of the nitrogen fertilizer. For example, the nitrogen fertilizer I am using is urea. It will turn on the valve of urea and mix the urea along the water supply and provide it to the soil. Website that I have created for my project Auto Botanic. You can see it have many features. For example, the crop mode. By using this feature, you can set the dispenser mode to a particular crop. For example, if you want to grow rice, you can select rice mode. It will set the threshold frequency of the nutrients according to rice. I have created many tabs such as introduction video. You can see the introduction video of this project to know more about it. I have provided many informations like working, custom PCB, smart fertilizer dispenser, and I have even attached some pictures of this project. At last, I have mentioned some social media handles to know more about this project. I have made this website in several languages, several local languages, by which farmers can easily visit this website in their local language. Now let's hear the feedback of the farmer about this project.
ये उपकरण इस बच्चे ने बनाया है। मैंने इसका उपयोग एक छोटे पैमाने पे किया है। इस उपकरण की मदद से मैंने ये पाया है कि मिट्टी में ज़रूरी तत्व जैसे पोटाशियम, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस और अन्य कई कारक जैसे तापमान और नमी का सही अनुमान लगाता है। बेसिक आइडिया इस प्रोजेक्ट के पीछे जो है वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया है। जैसे ये तत्वों का अनुमान लगाता है और ज़रूरी तत्वों को मिट्टी तक पहुंचाता है। अगर सरकार इसका उपयोग बड़े पैमाने पे करती है तो ये काफ़ी लाभदायक साबित हो सकता है। खेतीबाड़ी करने वाले किसानों के लिए ये एक वरदान साबित हो सकता है।
Now let me show you what future plans I have for this idea. According to reports, the market size of agriculture-based smart products is about 12 billion US and is expected to grow up to $30 billion up to 2030. According to the data, this project can be a big hit in the market. This project have many one-of-its-kind features which makes it different from other products in the market. My idea is that the government should collaborate and provide this project on a subsidized rate. This will make this project more accessible and then we can see its effects on the society. At last, I want everyone who is watching this video to take initiative and comment their feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.